the world of luxury sports cars, there exists a name that commands reverence and admiration: Lamborghini. Today, we take you on a journey to explore the captivating story of the revolution of Lamborghini, a brand that transcended boundaries and redefined the automotive industry. Buckle up, as we delve into the birth, challenges, and triumphs of this iconic Italian automaker. The visionary beginning. Our story begins in post-World War II Italy, a time of rebuilding and innovation. In 1963, Ferruccio Lamborghini, an ambitious entrepreneur, set out to create the perfect Grand Tourer, a car that would surpass even the legendary Ferrari. With a relentless pursuit of excellence, Lamborghini's first creation, the 350 GT, showcased unparalleled craftsmanship and engineering. It instantly caught the attention of the world, sparking the revolution of the bull. The rivalry unfolds. Ferrari, the dominant force in the automotive world, felt threatened by Lamborghini's emergence. The rivalry between Enzo Ferrari and Ferruccio Lamborghini intensified, fueling an epic battle for supremacy. In 1966, Lamborghini unleashed the Miura, a mid-engine marvel that became an instant legend. Its revolutionary design and unmatched performance established Lamborghini as a formidable competitor to Ferrari's iconic 250 GTO and 275 GIGATERABYTE. The turbulent times. As the 1970s dawned, Lamborghini faced its share of challenges. Economic downturns and the 1973 oil crisis pushed the brand to the brink of collapse. Ownership changed hands multiple times, leading to uncertain times for the once thriving automaker. But amidst the turmoil, Lamborghini showcased its resilience with the Countach, a revolutionary wedge-shaped masterpiece that redefined supercar aesthetics and performance. Renaissance and modern triumphs. The late 20th century saw Lamborghini's resurgence with investments from Audi and later under the Volkswagen Group's umbrella. This infusion of expertise and resources propelled Lamborghini into a new era of innovation. The Aventador, Huracan, and Uru emerged as symbols of modern Lamborghini engineering. The Aventador boasted breathtaking speed, the Huracan showcased track prowess, and the Uru, an SUV, marked Lamborghini's entry into new territories. The legacy endures. Today, Lamborghini stands tall as a timeless icon of luxury and performance. Its cars continue to captivate hearts and minds, exemplifying the perfect harmony of power and art. The revolution of Lamborghini proves that a relentless pursuit of passion and innovation can turn dreams into reality, forever etching its name into the annals of automotive history. Conclusion. As the sun sets on our journey through the revolution of Lamborghini, we are reminded that greatness is achieved by daring to challenge the status quo. Lamborghini's legacy will continue to inspire generations of car enthusiasts, encouraging them to reach for the stars and push the boundaries of what's possible. Fade out.